This is the story of a graveyard dog, a symbol of resilience and memory. This episode has been brought to you by FindPetOwner.com.
Ever wonder how you'd help your pet if they went missing? With the Find Pet Owner app, you can send lost pet alerts to nearby neighbors and social media in seconds. And for extra protection, attach a SmartLink ID tag or a band to their collar. If someone finds your pet, one simple tap or quick scan instantly shares your contact info. It's easy to set up, no monthly fees. Sign up and order today to get 15% off plus free shipping. Use code AFE and enjoy instant peace of mind.
Hi, Buna. Buna is waiting and watching while the maintenance crew is working. Breakfast is being served. Come and get it. Hi, Buna. Hi, Buna. I noticed the dish that was full of food yesterday. It's all emptied out. I don't think you ate it. Someone else is helping you. They're preparing for another funeral here. And he's watching. Stretch. He looks pretty good. I don't see any branches hanging down his tail. He's dry. Lick that plate for me. Done? Oh, wait. You left some on the ground. And then get up and leave. Or it's going to drink water. Someone needs to open up the faucet for you. You had water here, bucket of water here by your food, and you didn't drink from it. Sure, he has other sources. He knows exactly where he's going. It's already planned out. He knows where to go. Like he's going to a storage facility. That's his shortcut to the other side of the cemetery. Oh, he's limping again. I wonder if it's arthritis. enjoying the chicken. The cemetery is pretty quiet right now, but soon it will be super busy with people running around. There will be a funeral. It's early in the morning, around 8. There goes a plate there. The gentleman has brought food again, and either the cats or the dog or both ate it. And he's almost done licking the plate now. It's kind of chilly when the wind blows. It's cold. There he goes. We couldn't even train our kids to do this. He does it naturally. After every meal, he wipes his mouth. Okay, there we go. We eat and we take off. Maybe he's looking for water, or looks like he's investigating. Yep. He went to the storage. He's gonna come out the other end at the construction site. Hot meal. Chicken. And the maintenance crew still at work. He went and rolled around, and now, well, he's still roaming around. Looks like the treat has been eaten. Looks like no one likes that treat. So the peanut butter treat did not do well here. And the dream catcher is here. Catching dreams. Came right back up. Watching everyone in action. See one car looks depressed. He's sitting there. He didn't eat. Hasn't moved. He looks worried. Well, the maintenance crew is working at the location where Buna typically sits, so he has switched his place to here and he's watching them. I put food on the table, on the ground, and seems to ignore it. Hi Buna! Hi Buna! Hi Buna! Good, I moved his food to the location and he decided to eat. Oh God. The month of December has been a pretty quiet month and I'm going on vacation and I will see him in January. I hope all will be good when I return. He doesn't belong to anyone. Yet he belongs to this place. Every morning he walks the rows. Every evening he rests beside the dead. No leash, no name, just presence. Bye Buna, bye Buna, bye Buna.